I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you.
1 cup all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chocolate flavor, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 egg yolks. Ito yung ating 3 egg whites. And then, ang gagamitin nating condensed milk ay chocolate flavor. Ito yung ating 1 cup condensed milk chocolate flavor. So, ito lahat ang ating mga ingredients sa ating gagawing chocolate condensed milk. Okay, so sa paggawa ng ating chocolate condensed milk cake, imimix natin ang ating mga ingredients. Ito yung ating 3 egg yolks. Imix natin ang ating 3 egg yolks. Sama na natin ang ating chocolate condensed milk. Then, ang ating 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ang ating 1 teaspoon of chocolate flavor. Ito yun. Then, ang ating 1/4 cup of butter. Sama na rin natin ang ating 1/4 cup of butter. So, i-mix natin. Gamitan natin ang hand mixer. So, ito na yung ating wet mixtures. So, ilalagay na rin natin dito ang ating mga dried ingredients. So, sa ating strainer, ating isi-sieve ang ating mga dried ingredients. Ang ating 1 cup of all-purpose flour. ang ating 3 tablespoon of cornstarch. Two teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then, isisift na natin ito gamit ang ating strainer. Then, isama na rin natin ang ating 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So, imimix sila natin. Then, i-mix natin ito ulit. Okay, set aside muna natin ito dahil imimix natin ang ating egg white. So, ito yung ating 3 egg whites. Ipipit lang natin gamit ang ating hand mixer. So, imimix na natin ang ating egg white mixture sa ating mixture kanina. So, ito na yung ating mixture. So, ubuhos na natin ang ating mixture sa ating baking pan. So, ito na, nabuhos na natin sa ating pan. So, tatakpan natin ng 10 foil para hindi siya mag-tubig. Hindi So, natakpan na ng 10 foil ang ating pan. And ready to put sa ating steamer. Habang hinintay natin kumulo. So, ilagay natin ito sa ating steamer. Then, steam natin about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's cooked. So, ilagay na natin sa ating steamer. Oops. Steam. So, nandito na siya sa ating steamer. Steam natin about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's cooked. So, ito na yung ating chocolate condensed milk cake. Luto na siya. So, heart shape ang ating chocolate condensed milk cake. Para maiba naman. Let's eat! So, pwede din ito sa 4 to 6 person. Depende kung sobrang like nila ng cake. So, try natin kung fluffy ba yung ating cake. So, ito na yung ating cake. Super fluffy and super yummy na ang ating nagawang cake. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated on my next video. And don't forget to like and share this to your friends and families. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.